Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. In this time, I will explain how to use Remnant Cut. To use Remnant Cut, you must know how to set. Click Function in Work and click Set icon next to Remnant Cut in NC Functions on/off. After entering screen, click Start and End position in each picture to determine cutting direction. After selecting direction, set starting position on material, but it must be set with guide laser from nozzle center. If position has been set with dialed laser position, the head collision can be possible due to wrong position. We are using laser source from two companies. One is IPG Laser that always using guide laser pointer, but the other in the light, however, guide laser pointer is off when turning on machine. So you must turn on guide laser manually due to see nozzle center position precisely. To see this, click beam gas in work and click on in guide laser pointer to see red dot from nozzle. Then now you can start remnant cut position setting. To set this, move head to beginning point as shown in video and press rem cut button. Then position 1 will be set and move to turning point and press again to set position 2. Lastly, move to ending point and press again to set position 3. If you do any mistake while setting position, then press reset button to delete all position and start it over. If you are using light laser, you must turn off guide laser pointer before start. The beginning and ending point also must be set inside of material. After setting, click Remnant Cut Start to proceed. Thank you.